What's up, guys? Welcome back to ZTV. And today we're back at the marina. You can't really see it right now. You already know. We got a Ferrari up here. We're going on a 72-foot yacht. Whatever. Yo.
Oh, come on.
Loading collars.
Oh my God.
Wait, let me get back up. I don't know why.
Ah! Let's go! Woo! Let's go! We're all going. Oh! Wait till he leaves. Oh! Let's go! Yeah, shout out to YCM. Mangusta 72, let's go!
GoPro.
Go for the content! Face yourself! Okay, fine, go.
And that's, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Contact! Roll the corner of the boat.
Go.
Contact! One! Look at this guy! Yeah! You should end the video. Let's go! Yeah!
Hey guys, so for this next one, we're gonna be social distancing in a line, and there's a little break in the thing on like the side or whatever, and we're gonna jump off. So it's gonna be lit. He just lit off the whole windshield. Okay, first off, we got Nathaniel. Go!
Need the money.
Go! Orange, go! You wanna go? Yo, and David's coming near you.
I'm good.
David's not going. Here we go! Wait till he goes. Subscribe to ZTV! Like and subscribe! Holy cow, that hurts so much. You guys do not understand how much that hurts. Wow! Mangusta 72.
Like at the back.
The current is so strong. You have to like... The guy just went underwater. Hey! Yo! This is for ZTV right here. Yo, Zach, watch out. Wait. I'm trying to... You already know full stand, boys! Hey! Hey! This is your boy Nathan!
Give me it.
Hold on, Nathan!
Is it recording?
Recording, yes.
Yo, someone jump. 3, 2, 1.
ZTV!
Hey.
Yo, you ready? 3, 2, 1!
Oh, wait.
Go!
Go.
What's up, guys? We are currently on front of the boat. Okay, wait, I'm about to take it off. So, you can hold it. Holy cow, yeah, link in the description for this amazing yacht. Only can rent it out day, hours, whatever you want. Let's go! Woo!
3. Go.
3, 2, 1! Wow, that
Hey, we're about to jump with David again. Guys, go right here. I'm gonna get you. Jump down at the same time. Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
there. I kept sinking.
Alright guys, for this next one, I'm gonna do first person, jumping off the front. Woo!
First person to jump off the front.
No, I'm saying like first person view. Okay. Putting my leg over. And putting the other leg over.
And
Breathing.
I don't think you do. Okay.
3,
Blinking.
2,
Go press
1.
stop recording.
Oh, that hurts so much. Look at this view. Those are bedrooms. Those are all bedrooms. Currently letting the current take me. There's a boat right there. I hope he sees me. I think those are also bedrooms. And here's the Mangusta. Woo! Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was very, very fun and exhausting because obviously we're in the sun all day, and it was just insanely fun. So make sure to hit that like button. I'm assuming it's like right there. If that's a dislike button, just don't hit that because that's just no bueno. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys are subscribed. I'm probably pointing the wrong way, but subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss another banger like this. But hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Peace.